Good morning, good afternoon, whatever time it is that you are watching this video. Servi here. So I wanted to offer you this Monday video all about food. And this is something that I think a lot of us don't really relate to food and manifestation. But I think, and I really believe because I have experienced it, that, healing our chakras with food is yet another tool to become open and to become an open channel to the universe. And, often people forget to consider one extremely important aspect of manifesting. And this is, eating food, plays a huge part in how we feel and what we attract. Because, of course, remembering that our inner feeling is the magnet to the universe. And I am so excited because, this concept, if you will, of, eating foods, the color of our seven chakras, has been something that I have offered at my VIP healing retreats, my manifesting retreats that I've done in my home in Delaware, as well as the retreat that I offered in Sedona. And I'm so excited to say that I am going to be offering my food, my restorative cuisine concepts to the resort in Mexico. So it's a little, not really. It's more exciting than intimidating, but I am going to offer my recipes of, first of all, I have an entire line of healing hummus, and each hummus has the color of whatever chakra you are trying to heal. So of course, for example, one of my most popular hummuses is my root chakra hummus. We're going to be sampling it in Mexico. And, thinking about our root chakra, which is, of course, red. And most people, when they come to me for healing, that is the first chakra that we start to heal because it holds the trauma. It holds the energy of that childhood trauma. And if we're unhealed, it kind of, the root chakra is actually the mothership, if you will, to all the other chakras in our bodies. So the beetroot chakra, the beetroot hummus is what I offer in my retreats. I just had somebody at my home 2 weeks ago. She did the root chakra healing hummus, and then she actually wanted to work on her solar plexus. So the whole menu was about healing that, yellow, incorporating more yellow foods in her retreat that she experienced with me. So is this resonating? Because it's so clear to me. Because when we are on this journey, when we want to manifest, our most abundant life, and we leave out the body part of mind, body, spirit, when we're changing our mindset, when we're connecting to our spirit, but we are eating crap, we are eating junk food, we are stressed when we're eating it, it actually causes this openness to channel to the universe to close. And I really am a strong believer in this whole idea. Food can play a huge part in this journey. And this is something, restorative cuisine concepts is, I am trademarking it. It's a concept of healing ourselves through the power of food. So think about it. Do you work on your mind and you reframe and you heal those old stories and you're connected to, your highest power, your spiritual, you're seeing all the evidence of what you're asking for coming through. But are you really focused in on the power of food, the food that you're eating? So, there's a little exercise that I can share with you when you reply to this email, and I can give you a little tool to start recognizing the food that you're actually eating. It's going into my next book, which will be out this year. So if you would like to experience my restorative cuisine concepts at a retreat, this retreat is by far the most amazing that I've done, because we are incorporating the Mayan traditions of energy release. There is an incredible yoga teacher there that will be teaching the yoga. We are, I'm going to do the mind part. Then, of course, the body part is all about this restorative my food that the chef is going to be incorporating with his incredible skills. He's a very well-known chef in Mexico. And so we will have all aspects of mind, body, and spirit that are going to be open to the universe. We're going to open our channel. We're going to make sure we sustain that by the things that we're going to be learning. So I really, really, really encourage you, if there's any way that you can attend this retreat, I would so strongly recommend, not just because I'm there, but because you're going to experience mind, body, spirit alignment. In the Mayan tradition, there's so much spirituality in the Mayan tradition. You will be experiencing the Mayan energy release. I had it done when I was there. Amazing and very powerful. And you will be nestled in this incredible spot next to, or nestled in the most beautiful foliage and trees and plants. It's a sustainable resort, and it has one of the most beautiful beaches in the world. So supposedly it's incredible. So if you can come, it is a very small and intimate place. And they have, 70 rooms, and I don't think it's all going to be, well, maybe. But if you can possibly come just for 2 days, 24th, 25th of March, I encourage you to come with us and experience, this 2-day retreat. And the link will be in the comments, or if you're watching this on YouTube, it will be linked there. If this goes into Instagram, there is a link in my bio, Sarah V _LLC. There's a link there to join. And what else? Yeah. So, and in emails, there is always a link to join. So it's very easy. And the best thing about it is you fly straight into Cancun, and then the drive is 25 minutes. I can organize transportation, but it's so easy to get to. And you will be amazed by how gorgeous this is. And I'm so excited to be a part of this. And we've all worked really hard to create this incredible experience. So think about it. First of all, if you would like my tool, I'm happy to give that to you. Reply to this email. You can reply concepts and reply, and I will give you the little tool. Find me on any of my platforms, and there's a way to join the retreat in Mexico, 24th, 25th. And what else? I think that's it. So enjoy today, watch what you're eating, and really get aligned with your mind, body, and spirit. Okay? Thanks so much.